is still so dark. Good morning. I'm gonna wash my face with cold water because I feel a little puffy this morning. Cold. Good morning. Good morning, husband. So I decided to do an early workout today because my friend is coming with me and she could only do this time. So my workout is at 6:10 today. It's time to head out the door. Currently 5:46. Bye. 39 degrees. I put the seat cover on so when Bam Bam comes in the car, it doesn't get the seats dirty. I'm here at my workout. It is so cold outside. Hello. All right, time for your walk. Emmy, come here. Oh, excuse me. Let's go. The sun is rising. You are happy and excited. Oh, currently 7:50 in the morning. I've been making this apple cider vinegar rinse for my hair by adding a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar and then filling the bottle with water. Then I shake it all up and leave it in my shower. After I hop out of the shower, I like to towel dry my hair before using my wet brush. I just got this wet brush and it's supposed to be really gentle for our hair. Time for my skincare, and thank you so much to Isntree for sponsoring this video. I trust Isntree as a skincare brand because it's cruelty-free, it's vegan-friendly, eco-friendly, and it's a Korean skincare brand. In 2022, Isntree changed all of their products' packaging to make it easier to recycle. It's made with recycled green tea paper and printed with soy ink. Isntree offers different products to help support our skin, like this calming clay mask that helps soothe irritated skin and it doesn't dry me out. Now, this viral hyaluronic acid watery sunscreen has 8 types of hyaluronic acid with strong sun protection with SPF 50. It's hydrating and moisturizes my skin perfectly while offering skin protection. It absorbs really fast without leaving a sticky residue, and there is no white cast, which is essential for me when choosing a sunscreen. Right now, you can get the HA Watery Sun Gel Double Edition 1+1 promotion that starts mid-December, and it's limited edition, so Isntree won't restock once it runs out. I love this sunscreen and I'm so happy they have a 1+1 option. It's suitable as a daily moisturizing sunscreen for all skin types, so go get yours now and protect your skin. All done getting ready. I'm actually not going to fill in my eyebrows because I'm going to get them threaded today, so I want to make sure that they can see my actual eyebrows. just wanna shape them up a little bit. Yesterday my dad told me that his chair broke, so I'm gonna run to Staples and go get him a new one. I'm just gonna grab an apple on the way out. Hello, Benny. I am throwing my husband a murder mystery party and I have some sorting to do, so I created name tags for everybody. for the next hour and a half or so. To the tire shop again. A couple vlogs ago I mentioned that there was a nail in my tire. Well, there was another nail in my other tire, so I had to get a new one. But other than that, I haven't had any maintenance needed for my Tesla, which is fantastic. Really frustrating that I have to keep going to the tire store. Adulting. Thankfully, I insured all 4 of my tires, so it only cost $46 to replace versus $346 per tire. A little red and blotchy, but got my eyebrows all cleaned up so then I can fill them in really nicely. Tantan's tires are all changed, all good to go. I stopped by the Korean market and restocked. Okay, let us fill in my eyebrows now that they are all clean. Here is one side filled in. Pillows are all done. Woo! You always want to keep this part open, and I like to dump out any water that's left behind, and then I let it all air dry before closing it. This is still wet, so I'll probably just leave it open until tomorrow. And finally time to get ready for bed. I just watched Singles Inferno 2 with some of my friends and that was pretty interesting. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.